Hi guys, welcome to 360 Space. So on today's episode, I'll be teaching us on how to make money from our TikTok account.
Lesson of teaching us on how to earn money from our TikTok account. If you've not subscribed to the channel, I'd advise you to do that now. So all you have to do is sign up for your TikTok account and go to your browser, click on sound.me. Sound.me, it's displayed on the screen. And this is how it should look like. You choose your country. Here you can see 10k views give you $35, 30k views give you $105, 40k views, 50k views, 60k views, 100k views, 300k views, and the rest of them. So this is just the instructions about how it works. Create a video based on the instructions, post it on your TikTok and get paid via your PayPal. You must also have a verified PayPal account to be able to withdraw your funds. So this is how it should look like. So you just come up to sign up as a creator. So here you log in as a creator, or you create an account, or you log in with your existing account. So once you've done that, you're good to go. If you're having difficulties in doing this, just drop a comment on the comment section and I'll teach you how to go about it. And don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Thank you.